watching TN News. Here we have a news from H.D.Dhabeji, Union Council of Tehsil Mirpur Sakro Dhabeji Bhambore. Former MPA Ameer Hyder Shah Sherazi DC Thatta has taken a notice for the strike of drinking water. Former MPA Ameer Hyder Shah Sherazi, former Chairman Fakir Nabi Baksh Baloch, Sikandar Pawar, Aksin, they all came at the strike of Public Health Thatta and make them sure that we will solve all the problems very soon in order to change all the old motors into new motors. And residents said that Public Health Thatta has taken many promises, but it is very sorry to say that didn't fulfill any one from them. We didn't have any other way to explain our problems. We were cautioned to do this. Former MPA Ameer Hyder Shah Sherazi added to say that if our demands are not accepted, then we will be with you in this strike. And after that, residents announced to finish this hunger strike.
बिल्कुल हिन सां वाइदो कयो आहे ऐं इंशाल्लाह वाइदो पंहिंजो पूरो कंदा ऐं उन ख़बर आहे त शीराज़ी हिन आवाम सां गॾु आहिनि ठीकु आहे न ऐं इंशाल्लाह ताला पोइ आउं बि आवाम सां गॾु हिते रोडनि ते हूंदुसि।
With camera team report Shah Samoor, TN News, Dhabeji.